Watch.
Now joining us live via Skype are Jones and Crane from 107.9 WSRZ. And good Thursday morning, a.k.a. Friday Eve.
Good morning, Jaylee. How are you guys doing this morning?
We're good. We're good.
Looks like you guys got a party going on.
We do.
Always.
We do. I look like dancing, but it was actually one of my earbuds flying out of my head. I apologize for that. We're really excited.
Yes.
We got the cruise giveaway going all this week with you guys. And you know what we thought of this morning, Crane? That there are people that are waking up this early with John and Haley that maybe couldn't stay up till 11 last night to watch the code word of the day.
Sometimes it gets a little late, and between 9 and 9:30, we'll have the queue to call. You'll be the 7th caller, and you're going to win that cruise for 2 with us in November. But if you did miss the code word of the day, I'm going to give it to you right now.
No.
What?
Don't give out. We can't, but you can give a hint.
Okay, it rhymes with Caribbean.
What?
No? Billy Ocean had a crush on this kind of queen.
All right, that's enough. I think people can figure it out now. You
Okay.
basically just handed it to them.
Well, I'm generous like that, so that's.
I can't figure it out.
No? Billy Ocean, like this type of queen. Interesting. I want you guys to hear our winner from yesterday. Long-time listener. We never met the guy. Check this out.
Whoa, baby! Oh, my Lordy!
I think he was a little excited to win a cabin on board the cruise with us.
Yes, our 11th annual morning cruise. He was just a little bit excited.
That was
so.
some serious enthusiasm there, I'll tell you what.
I know that's what you guys want to hear. Like, I always feel like when people call in for radio contests and they don't do that, it's probably really disappointing. That's
Yeah, it's nice. They're always polite. They're like, "Well, thank you very much." It's there was one time we gave away $10,000. This was way back in the day when radio had a budget, and we gave away 10 grand. And what was the reaction?
Oh, great, thanks. How do I get my money?
Yeah.
Just like that.
I would have passed out. I'm not even lying. I would have screamed. So I don't even scream. I'm not like someone who normally screams. I would have screamed, and then I probably would have just gone blank on the phone because I would have passed out. I'm not even lying.
I'll tell you what, though, a free cruise is a pretty nice gift. Tell people again, in case they haven't heard about it. Tell them what you're doing.
Well, it's real simple. You watch ABC 7, the 11 o'clock newscast. Real early in the newscast, they give you a code word. And tomorrow's code word, I should say tonight's, will be extra special because tomorrow in the morning and the afternoon, there'll be 2 queues to call. And if you have that passport code word of the day, you could win a cabin in the morning or in the afternoon.
That's right. 4 people are going to be cruising with us. And we get just as excited because not only do they win the cruise for 2, but we get to find out who we're going to be on vacation with.
That's right. That's right.
And this is a serious cruise, right? What's the ship and where are you going?
We are going on the Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas.
Nice.
It sets sail out of Tampa November 15th through the 19th. It's kind of like a nice long weekend. This is our 11th year doing it, our 11th annual morning cruise, and it just gets bigger and better every single year with private parties. And we've got a whole bunch of like free cocktail hours. Can I say that later?
I think you can.
I don't know if I can.
You just did. Floridian. Come on.
Floridian. But we do. We have an absolute blast. It's our 11th year, and we want everyone to join us who can. And it's almost sold out, by the way. It's like 3 cabins, 4 cabins away from being sold out, and then that's it.
All right, well, we better jump in and do the weather so everybody can get ready to get to those phones and get their fingers ready to dial.
Yeah, enough of this rain, John. Let's kill the rain. Let's go for some sunshine.
No, we need rain.
We do need rain. That's right. We need rain.
Okay, now I'm torn. Who do I please here? I don't know. It's a mystery. Well, I tell you what, we are going to have a little bit of rain showers, then we're going to have a little bit of sun.